Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to solve 5 power t times 25 power t equal 100 and we have to find the value of t. So let's start with today's video solution. So this 5 power t times 25 power t equal 100. This 25 I can write it as 5 square whole power t equal 100. So 5 power t times this becomes 5 power 2t equal 100. As per exponent rule, a power n times a power m, we can write it as a power n plus m. So it becomes 5 power t plus 2t equal 100. So 5 power 3t equal 100. Now if I'll take log on both sides, so log 5 power 3t equal log 100. Now as per log rule, log a power b, we can write it as b log a. So it's 3t log 5 equal log 100. Now if I'll divide both sides by log 5, this will cancel out. 3t equal log 100 by log 5. Now this log 100 I can write it as 5 times 20 by log 5. Now as per log rule, log a times b, we can write it as log a plus log b. So 3t is equals to log 5 plus log 20 by log 5. So t is equals to log 5 plus log 20 by 3 log 5. So t is equals to log 5 by 3 log 5 plus 20, we can write it as 4 times 5 by 3 log 5. So this will cancel out. So t equal 1 by 3 plus log 4 plus log 5 by 3 log 5. T equal 1 by 3 plus log 4 as 2 square plus log 5. This becomes 3 log 5 by 3 log 5. So we can cancel out this. So t equal 1 by 3 plus 2 log 2 by 3 log 5 plus 1 by 3. 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 gives 2 by 3 plus 2 by 3 log 2 with base 5. So if I'll take this 2 by 3 as common, so 1 plus log 2 with base 5. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.